Hello student, good morning. Today we have discussed about the lesson 5 food, health and hygiene. In this video we have discussed about the different type of nutrients those are present in food like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals, roughage, etc. You know that before, but we discussed about the homework those are given in previous online class. Whatever I give the homework, I hope all of you learned in proper way. Okay, and I request you, please, you have to learn proper way. All exercise, all question answer, and all exercise learning proper way. Okay, today we shall discuss about the food, health, and hygiene. Food and health. You know that all living things need food for stay healthy, stay alive, and for good health. And we get food from the plants. We get food from the plants. Here, for proper growth and development, food we require a sufficient amount of foods, and you can say proper amount of nutrients. And we know that we eat rice, wheat, and potato, tomato, different type vegetables, fruits, and cereals, etc. And these food items provide a special type of nutrients. Means you know that they provide nutrients. Means carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals, and roughage also. Okay, so we need a balanced diet. What do you mean by balanced diet? A diet that contains all essential nutrients in right amount is called balanced diet. A diet that contains all essential nutrients in right amount is called balanced diet. You know that for proper growth or development we need balanced diet. Which balanced diet means that contain all nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage, etc. Now we discuss one by one all nutrients. First, carbohydrates. Carbohydrates also known as energy giving nutrients. In energy giving nutrients, carbohydrate provide energy, give us energy for to do work. That's why these nutrients known as energy giving nutrients. And generally they are sweet taste. They have the sweet taste like sugar cane, rice, all cereals provide carbohydrates, and juice, different type of juice, and sweet, they provide what? They provide carbohydrates. Next is proteins. Proteins also known as bodybuilding nutrients. Proteins also known as bodybuilding nutrients. You know that they repair the damaged cell, worn out cells, and they help in the grow new cells. Okay, that's why proteins also known as bodybuilding nutrients. Example of sources of proteins. You know that milk, meat, egg, pulses, soya bean, etc. These are the sources of protein. And Next one, fats. You know that here, keep in mind, if we take the excess amount of carbohydrate, if we take the excess of amount of carbohydrate, this carbohydrate change into a fat, and this fat is stored in our body. And if we take the excess amount of carbohydrate, maybe cause obesity. Now fats also give us energy and heat. They give us energy and heat. They give us energy and heat. Sources of fats are oil, ghee, butter, nuts, etc. Okay, now next, fourth number, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals also require a very small quantity, but this is a very important for the proper growth of body, proper growth and development of the body. They require only small quantity, but this is necessary. And you know that vitamins and minerals found in leafy vegetables, fruits, nuts, etc. They found in most of the vegetables, fruits, nuts, milk, etc. Now we discuss about one by one all vitamins. Okay, see here, vitamins and minerals. Okay, here you know that the different types of vitamins are found, and minerals also, but here we discuss only the few. Those are very important vitamins and minerals. First, vitamin A. Vitamin A, and if you not take the sufficient amount of vitamin A sources of food, then you may cause the suffering from the deficiency disease. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin A? Night blindness. And sources of vitamin A, fish oil, green vegetables, leafy vegetables, and fruits. Okay, and they help in the proper work of eyes, and you know that make the eyes healthy. Next, vitamin B. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B? Beriberi. And sources of vitamin B: fruits, green vegetables, leafy vegetables, and peanuts also. Nuts also, different type dried fruits. Vitamin C. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C? Scurvy. Which disease? Scurvy disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin C. And sources of vitamin C: citrus fruits. All citrus fruits are good source of vitamin C. Next, vitamin D. And which disease is caused by the deficiency of vitamin D? Rickets. What? Rickets. Sources of vitamin D? Yes, oil, ghee, butter, cheese, milk product, milk. These are the good source of vitamin D. Now next, these are the main vitamins, and other also vitamin E, vitamin K, but in your book, in your syllabus, only these vitamin A, B, C, and D given. Now minerals, iodine. Iodine is very important for our body for proper growth uh, mental ability. They maintain the mental ability, proper growth of you can say brain. Okay, and these iodine, these nutrients found minerals found in seafood and in salt, good source of seafood and salt. And deficiency of which disease is caused by the deficiency of mineral iodine? Goiter, which is goiter. Next topic is water. Water is also important for our body. They help in food digestion and also maintain the body temperature, regulate the body temperature. Okay, and that's why water is important, very important for our body. Next and other next, roughage have not any type of nutrients, but this one also very important for digestion, because they make the digestive system healthy, or make this roughage make the digestive system healthy. And they make, if your digestive system healthy, then whatever you eat digest in proper way, not create any type of problems like stomach pain and dysentery or diarrhea. Okay, and other stomach problems, digestive disorders. But if you take the sufficient amount of roughage in your food daily, then your digestive system healthy, and whatever you eat, then they digest proper way, And roughage, you know that most of the vegetables like spinach, radish, and other fruits also the good source of roughage. Now all students write homework of lesson 5. Learn, choose the correct answer of lesson 5. Learn, choose the correct answer of lesson 5 in proper way. And I request you, all of you, those are watching the video, please, after watching the video, you have to write name, class and section in comment box daily for your attendance. So all students always keep in mind. I request you. So all students, please. And you have to complete all exercise from lesson 1 to 5 in proper way. Whatever you left, first you have to complete all exercise in proper way. And learn also in a proper way. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you. Thank you. Best of luck.